A collection of poems by contemporary Indian poets। এখানে আমার একটা কবিতা ঠাঁই পেয়েছিল, আপনাদের শুভেচ্ছা এবং শুভকামনা চেয়ে নিয়ে এই কবিতাটি শোনাই। কবিতার নাম উইলি নীলি। You cannot win without any help of superpower. Ever winner may be loser. Beautiful beauties are created by nature. Lovable things here and there, but compelled to journey like obverse and reverse. Several works are partial, but you have no option. Time is not suitable or not. Divinity must obey the Fiji rules. You cannot overcome. You cannot overcome, obviously, by your strong will force. Your all consenting concept may be decayed. These ways you are governable. You are governable. Thank you, all of you.